Come on, bring it here. Good girl. Good. I got it. Ready? It was so unknown, and being that I was already immunocompromised, I just was really afraid for my life. I pretty much would do what Dr. Squire recommends. I respect him, and I value his opinion, and he thought that was the safest route for me, knowing my history. And so I said, okay, let's do it. While I was there, it was safe. It was great. Everybody took their precautions. There wasn't extraneous people around. There was just the necessary people that needed to be there to take care of me and to get me home. If I had to stay now, if that would have been the case, obviously I would have done that and they would have done a great job. But I just think that I got through it quicker because I was able to do it at my own pace, and it was a home program for the exercises and stuff for the hip, and it was good. I'm feeling 100%. I feel great. I never was a runner, but I feel like I could jog if I needed to, or if I was at work and I needed to run down the hallway, I feel like I can do that now and not hurt myself or be a burden, or a hindrance because I'm limping or things. So I'm excited to get out there and do some things.